this is the picture that I saw that made me buy this wig. I'm kind of a little worried about today's sleigh. I hope it's a sleigh. We thought this was a regular church service, but it was a whole revival and you didn't tell nobody. Virtually HD lace. Hold on. Now, does that mean almost HD lace? Virtually undetectable. That means almost. You see, but as Sister Brandy once prophesied, almost doesn't count. Now, I could preach this if I want to. There's so many ways that braid wigs could be wrong and ignorant, and most braid wigs are ignorant on top of ignorant. Let's just look at this, y'all. I just thought I'd open the doors and celebrate this beat, because y'all, I did one less step today in my makeup process, and I'm happy about that.
I'm happy about that, you feel me?
I'm not here to talk about that though, because y'all be getting me sidetracked, and then y'all be in the comments talking about you was only supposed to be up there for 5 minutes and you end up being up there for 37 hours and 12 minutes. And we thought this was a regular church service, but it was a whole revival and you didn't tell nobody.
I don't want to do that to y'all.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a sleigh today. I'm coming to you with a sleigh today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I'm doing something today. I'm kind of a little worried about today's sleigh. See, because it's a braid wig. Y'all, I like braid wigs, but it has to be very, very good for me to like it. There's so many ways that braid wigs could be wrong and ignorant, and most braid wigs are ignorant on top of ignorant. Let's just talk about this for a minute, y'all. Braid wigs have to be constructed flawlessly in order for them to get what they supposed to get. You try to get a nice priced braid wig sometimes, but sometimes those wigs choose violence. Sometimes if it's bulky, and other times the lace don't lay right. It's not what God called for my life. But I'm gonna try one today because I saw an ad on Instagram. Instagram made me buy this. I was like, ooh, that's cute. This is the wig that I'm trying today. Hip Hop Hooray. I hope it's a sleigh. This is by Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, 100% hand braided lace wig, 100% premium fiber, feed in box braid twist, 12 inches, T1B30, virtually HD lace. Hold on. Now, does that mean almost HD lace? Virtually undetectable. That means almost. You see, but as Sister Brandy once prophesied, almost doesn't count. Now, I could preach this if I want to. Can't keep on making these wigs 1 foot outside the door. Well, at least they honest. Hey, they ain't lying to you. Listen, it's almost HD. It's a 4x4, 4 inches in the back, so we can get a pretty decent part. It's not an ignorant on top of ignorant part, but it's a pretty decent part. They have different colors and different prices. Color 1 is $84.29. Color 1B is $92. So it's under $100. All of these colors are under $100. Oh, but honey, 1B burgundy must be real popular because they popping off with $130.49. Now you are going to have been crafted by the man who stilled the waters, okay? And calmed the sea. Because I'm hoping for this one to change my mind, okay? Or at least just be decent. Let me get a decent braid wig. I don't ask for much. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just looking for something that I like. That's under $100. A braid wig that I like that's under $100. Let's just look at this, y'all. But I did get my new wig cap today, y'all. It came in the mail. This is the picture that I saw that made me buy this wig. It's not rough, but it's not, I guess this is what it would feel like when you braid your own hair. So, and then they have up here at the top, you have the cornrow section up here. That's a nice design, you guys. The lace looks really good. It's looking virtually undetectable. They do have baby hair. That's another thing about braid wigs, y'all. The baby hair always looks so ignorant on braid wigs. Braid wig baby hair looks so thick and ignorant on top of ignorant. Like, it looks like when baby hair first came out on wigs and it was super ignorant and super thick and just not even, we were just happy to have baby hair, honey. We was just swooping and dooping, and that baby hair was like,
I'm here.
I will say this baby hair is very sparse though. It's not thick, so that's good. I mean, I have hope. It has an elastic right there, and it is adjustable. You can adjust it for your level of snugtivity. You see that? Yes. There are 3 combs, 2 off to the side, 1 off in the bike. Of course, it has the adjustable strap, but this is it. It's really light, y'all. It is really, really, really light. We're gonna see what we can do with it, y'all. But listen, before I get into trying to slay this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Just like that, you a part of the family. That's cute. Let's just try. Let's just see. Let's just see, y'all. Okay, hold on. Y'all think we can slay it? Let's see. Hold on.
I tell you almost every night, and everything is true. The feeling that you're giving me whenever I'm with you, just hold me in a man ecstasy. I keep you by my side. That feeling that you're giving me. Oh, I work from 9 to 5. I work from 9 to 5 to make you mine. Give everything I have to make this right. I take my chance to ride upon a star. Do whatever it takes to be where you are. 'Cause you're the only one for me. Yeah, you're the only one. Person up on the cloud, I wanna shout out loud that you're the only one for me. Somebody to turn me inside out again. Oh, I just want to jump right in. Baby, I won't pretend. I work from 9 to 5, make you mine. Give everything I have to make this right. I take my chance to ride upon a star. Do whatever it takes to be where you are. 'Cause you're the only one for me. Yeah, you're the only one. Person up on the cloud, I wanna shout out loud that you're the only one for me. Ooh, 'cause you're the only one for me. You're the only one. Yeah, you're the